Hey YouTube, if you're new here, I'm Giante, welcome back to my channel. With that being said, if you haven't hit the subscribe button and you love my advice, make sure you hit the subscribe button because every subscriber matters. And our goal is 100K and it's going to take all of you to get there. Now with that being said, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'll be telling y'all how to make him go crazy. And by crazy, I mean just how to turn him on, how to make him want you more. The first step I need y'all to do is take the shyness and toss it out the window. After watching this video, I guarantee you will no longer be shy. And I'm going to teach you how to make him go crazy in several different settings, from school to at home to out in public to spicy. This is not about what you do, it's about how you do it. So first, I'm going to just start off simple. How to make him go crazy. And this one can work anywhere as long as he's standing. So let's say y'all are out in public or at school and you walk up to him and you're not going to say a thing. You're not going to touch him. You're just going to look at him. Eye contact by itself is overwhelming for guys. Like, why are you staring at me? You're kind of making me uncomfortable. But I kind of like it. You know what I mean? And he'll be like, what? Like, what are you looking at? And you just be like, oh, nothing. Like, and he's going to be like, okay, whatever. And then you just have to be like, you seem nervous. And he's going to be like, nervous. You know, guys, macho, big egos, nervous. What are you talking about? And then this is how you reel him in. This is how you catch the fish. You're just gonna gently put your hand on his chest and say, then why is your heart beating so fast? He's gonna be like, I don't know what you're talking about. Like, you will have him stuck, lost for words, don't know what to say, fumbling, fumbling, fumbling. Because what? You felt my heart? Top tier. This next one also works like in public or school, and let's say y'all are walking. And for this one, you need to have something in your hand, from your phone to your keys to a book, just something in your hand. And you're gonna drop it. Yes, I said drop it. So if it's your phone, you're gonna drop your phone. You're gonna listen to me and you're gonna drop your phone. And when you go to pick it up, you're going to use his leg for support. You need to hold yourself up, right? And yes, I mean his actual leg, not the third one. You're not slick. And as you come up from picking up your stuff, eye contact and all, you're gonna say, oh, like, I'm sorry. Like, you know, play it off cool. Sweet. Innocent. You're gonna pretend like you didn't mean anything of it. But in his mind, he's just gonna keep reliving that moment over and over again. Okay, now this next one is a little more spicy. So I need y'all to put on y'all big girl pants. It's time for the big girl pants, okay? And you're gonna do this out in public, at dinner, or at the mall. And you're just gonna be like, hey, can I go use the restroom really quick? And obviously he's not gonna have a problem. And the whole time he thinks you're peeing or pooping. I hope you don't poop in public restrooms. But you're actually gonna be taking off your underwear. Please make sure they're clean and smell good. Nobody wants them funky panties. You're gonna come back and pretend everything is normal. And you're just gonna slip the panties under the table. Or slip them into his pocket as y'all walk away. I guarantee he's gonna check please, check please. Time to go. Time to go. We'll take it to go. Fuck boxes. We'll leave it there. Because what? You slipped him under the table. You're feeling bold. You're feeling nasty. You're feeling crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is better than that? This next one, it works on FaceTime. So the next time you FaceTime him, and let's say it's getting kind of late and you need to change, like you just got home or something, you hop on the phone with him, but you want to change clothes, something comfy. He's not going to be paying you any attention. He's probably going to be on the game or scrolling on TikTok, whatever, but he's going to be able to see you enough. And you're just going to prop the phone up and be like, hey, I'll be right back, I'm about to change. And as you change, every single piece of clothing you have, you're going to toss it in the camera. That red lace bra that you never wash, toss it in the camera. The panties with the discharge, toss it in the camera. No, I'm joking. But actually, toss it in the camera. Because now you got his mind, like, spinning, like, going crazy, right? And then you just come back and act like nothing happened. If he has, like, this stuck look, just be like, what? Like, what? You know? Top tier. Now, this next one is going to work over text message. Yes, I'm giving you a variety. You're going to text him. It could be in the morning, kind of in the afternoon, you know he's up. And you're going to say, like, hey, I had a dream about you. He's going to be like, what? Like, what was the dream? And then I need you to be like, it was a dream that, like, I probably shouldn't have been thinking about. He's going to be like, tell me more. Like, now you got him excited. Then you'd be like, never mind, I shouldn't have said anything. Like I feel embarrassed. He will not let it go. He will want to know about that dream 5 years from now. Like, hey, like, what was that dream about? Silence. Playing with his imagination. Top tier. And this last one is how you can touch him to make him go crazy. The next time y'all are getting a little spicy, you know, a little cuddly, whatever you want to call it, you're just gonna play with his chest. Acrylic nails, you know, if you got his shirt off, you're just rubbing his chest, whatever. And then you're just gonna make your way down. This is what you're gonna do. This is how you, again, reel him in. You're gonna drag your finger across the line of his waistband. That is our weakness. He is going to shiver. The cold chill, ooh, I really don't know a way you can touch him that is more top tier. And then here's the bonus. Here's how you can kiss him to make him go crazy. Every guy has a weaker side of their neck where they can't handle too much sensation, too much touch. I need you to kiss his neck and figure out which side that is. And you're just gonna kiss up here, behind the ear. Every guy's weakness. Period. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, 100K on the way. Leave a comment on what you thought of the video or any suggestions, and I'm out. Peace.